Hello, today I am going to show you how to search for the article, the real university cost of free higher education in a country by the two Georges, whose last names I cannot say very well. So here you can see we are at the Weber Library online, library.weber.edu, and here in this search bar we're going to search for one of the Georges by name. Here it is. And then we're going to hit the search. Okay, so we're in the Stewart Library One Shirts database, and you can see these results here that show up for this author's name. We're going to scroll down here, and right here, entry number 5, the real university cost in a free higher education. I'm going to click on this. Okay, now it's taking us to the Elsevier Science Direct journal website. Excuse me. And you can see here that we have both Georges. The name is correct. Elsevier Economics of Education Review. This is a legitimate source. And then you can see also the abstract and everything that is involved in this article. And that is how you would search for articles in the library website. Thank you.